Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's so good to see you here again. Today we're going to have a long, calm conversation about something everyone loves to talk about, hobbies and free time. And I'm not alone today. Amelia is here with me.
Hello, hello. I'm happy to be here again. I love talking about hobbies because free time says so much about who we are.
Exactly. And it helps English learners talk more naturally too. So Amelia, let's start really simple. What do you usually say when someone asks you, what do you like doing in your free time?
I usually say something like, I like listening to music. It's true, and it's a very natural sentence.
Same here. And I love that sentence because it's short, easy, and works in any situation. A conversation with a friend, a teacher, or even a job interview warm-up. So let's go deeper. What kind of music do you like listening to?
Oh, that's a long topic. I like soft indie music when I'm working, pop music when I'm cooking, and calm piano when I'm going to sleep. For me, music changes the atmosphere completely.
I'm the same. Some days I play jazz in the morning to start the day slowly. Other days I want something upbeat, something energetic. But no matter what, listening to music is always part of my free time routine.
Do you listen to music while cleaning?
Yes, it makes everything faster. I put on a playlist I love, and suddenly cleaning feels like dancing. Do you do that too?
Always. That's why I laugh when people say cleaning is boring. It's only boring if there's no music.
Now, outside music, what else do you enjoy?
I love reading, especially fiction. When I read, I feel like I'm traveling without moving. And you?
I'm not a fast reader, but I love reading small chapters at night. It's like a quiet moment just for me.
That's what hobbies are for, right? Time to slow down and breathe.
Exactly. One thing I've started doing recently is journaling. Just writing random thoughts at the end of the day, it helps me organize my mind.
That's a great hobby. So many people forget that writing is relaxing.
Do you have hobbies that help you relax?
Yes, yoga, but not the complicated type. Just breathing, stretching, and taking 10 minutes to be quiet. It makes my whole day better.
I'm the same. Some days I love slow walks for the same reason. Even a simple walk around the block refreshes my brain. Sometimes I listen to a podcast while walking.
And sometimes silence is better, right?
Yes, sometimes silence is the best music.
Let's talk about creative hobbies. Do you like painting, drawing, or crafting?
I do, but I'm not good at it. Still, I love it, especially watercolor. The colors flow naturally, and I can relax without worrying if the result is perfect.
That's the secret. Hobbies don't have to be perfect. I like digital drawing. Sometimes I use a tablet and just create simple shapes, patterns, or characters. It's fun and makes my mind happy.
Oh, cooking is a hobby for many people too. Do you like cooking?
I like simple cooking, pasta, vegetables, soups. If it takes too long, I lose motivation.
Same here. But baking, that's something I enjoy. The smell in the house, the warm oven, it feels cozy.
Yes, and baking is like a science experiment and a hug at the same time.
Sometimes people think hobbies need to be big activities, but even small things can be hobbies.
Totally. Watching movies, watering plants, rearranging your room, playing with a pet, all of that counts.
And they make life feel softer and calmer.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, but not all the time. Traveling is a hobby I enjoy slowly, maybe once or twice a year.
Same. I enjoy planning trips more than the trip itself sometimes.
And photography is part of traveling too. I take photos of everything: the sky, buildings, coffee cups, details. It's a hobby inside another hobby.
We can't forget digital hobbies. Do you play games?
Yes, but casual ones. Puzzle games, cozy games, nothing stressful. You?
I love story-based games. They feel like interactive movies.
That's a great hobby for language learners too. Lots of listening and reading.
In the end, hobbies are important because they remind us that life is not only about work.
Yes, they give us energy, creativity, joy, and connection. Even saying something simple like, I like listening to music, is a way to show a part of who you are. And it's such a beautiful sentence because it tells people what makes you feel alive. Exactly. Everyone should have at least one thing that makes them smile during the week.
This was a warm conversation. I liked it.
Me too. And I hope everyone watching felt relaxed and inspired to talk about their own free time. Remember, speaking about hobbies is one of the easiest and most natural ways to practice English.
Yes. Just start with I like. It doesn't need to be complicated.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for staying with us today. I loved spending this time with you.
Me too.
I'll see you in the next video. Take care, have a wonderful day, and bye-bye.